In a world that's changing faster every day. Digital mind.